Hi, I'm Jill Sturdy. We were at Regina Public School conducting a nature blitz at Mud Lake. So a nature blitz is an activity that can be done in the schoolyard or in a natural setting, and the idea is to count as many species as you can in a given amount of time.
You made it a little bit easier for us today because you had those kind of categories already set up, and you had some basic animals and plants in there that we'd be likely to find. But I liked how it was open so that you could add other things to it as well, so that it's encouraging kids to explore for more than just what's on there. It gives you a chance to look at beyond just sort of the basic types of plants and animals and go in as depth as they feel comfortable doing.
A nature blitz can be done any time of the year. You'll always find nature and species all year round. So what's really great about a nature blitz is it's fun to see the different types of diversities.
We walked around Mud Lake and to look for certain things on a checklist we have, and looking for like types of things like an oak tree, white pine, or just any type of pine, frogs, and all like everything you can see in Mud Lake.
Anytime you can incorporate natural sciences in learning, it can be fun for the kids. Getting the kids outside into nature, exploring the wonder of nature. You don't need to be an expert to run a nature blitz. Nature Canada does have materials, and we have access to a lot of volunteers who are experts who can help share their knowledge.
Do you guys know what's he doing when he lifts his head up like that?
Warning it?
Not really, no.
How do they sense?
How do they figure out where things are? Yeah,
Their
how do they
ears,
sense?
their tongue.
Yes.
Yeah, not so much their eyes.
We have, a little cheat sheet, if you will, some materials that teachers can use, that we can provide free of charge to run a school blitz, a nature blitz in their schoolyard. So it's fun and it's easy, and it's a great way to incorporate natural sciences in the curriculum.
Call the people at Nature Canada. It's really easy to do, really easy to get involved in, and you can see from our kids today that the benefits aren't just the science or the natural history that you learn. Benefits go way beyond that in terms of helping kids reduce anxiety, teaching them that being out in nature is a normal thing, and it's a place to go when you want to unwind.